wonderful to be at Modern Engineering College, Pune, and thanks for all the support and kind of a cooperation and belief on us, inviting Vision Digital India to be part of this initiative. Thanks to the entire Department of Modern College of Engineering, starting with Dr. Professor Hari Madam, the HOD, and the principal of this wonderful institute, Joshi Madam, and the vice principal, Dr. iAICTE Madam, and also the vice principal and HOD of this Modern Engineering College, Engineering Department, Professor Hari Madam. So we feel it's a privilege to be associated with one of the leading and the oldest engineering college of Maharashtra, the Modern Engineering College, for this wonderful initiative of artificial intelligence. And I think now we are having India as an advantage in the era of artificial intelligence. So that is the reason I see a lot of interest from the faculty, from the different departments to be part of this initiative, to know more about this wonderful era of artificial intelligence. And thanks for Madam for taking this initiative and calling us. This discussion was going on for a couple of months, and finally we are here with the entire process with the kids and with the missions. Definitely this brings a lot of confidence for us also to associate and to do much bigger things. So when I talk about the artificial intelligence and how things are happening in India, I think most of you people might have seen a lot of news in the last few days about the India AI Impact Summit, which happened in Delhi, in Bharat Mandap. It's a 5-day event where more than 100 plus country delegates are participated from across the world. And this India AI Impact Summit created a Guinness record where more than 5 lakh delegates are registered for one particular technology summit, that is artificial intelligence. So nowhere in this world this kind of awareness, this kind of impact which can able to make. And the AI Impact Summit, which is headed by none other than our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi, with entire team of IT and Technology Electronics Minister Dr. Hari, and the entire team done a great work to conduct and to create India as a destination for artificial intelligence. And there was one student-focused activity they done during this AI Impact Summit. They opened a window to register for this conference. This conference is entirely free of cost. There is no delegation fees. So they opened to the students for a 24-hour window where students registered to attend this conference, and in 24-hour time they got total registrations of students 252,000. So that is again a Guinness record. So that shows the kind of interest the artificial intelligence is making in India. So if I talk about India and AI, so today we are leaders in artificial intelligence era. The reason is, if you look at the Stanford published study, we are number 3 in the world in the technology of artificial intelligence knowledge. But if we hear from the industry leaders, mainly the industry leader like NVIDIA chairman, so what he spoke during this AI Impact Summit days was India is number 1 in number of people who knows about artificial intelligence. So that is a great news that a top industry, NVIDIA, telling that India is the number one in knowledge force in AI. So, from the India AI Impact Summit, today if you look at India, we are the fourth largest economy in the world, so we are all aware of that. So, within a few months, I think we are going to reach to the third position. Globally, we become number third in the economy. So, from number third, moving upwards will be the greatest challenge. So, now we reached to the fourth position very easily, because the gap between the third, fourth and fifth is very narrow. So we are around 4.5 trillion now, our economy, and the gap between the fourth and fifth is just a small fraction of $1 billion. So that's how we are able to reach. But now when you look at moving to second and moving to first, will be a greatest challenge in front of India. The reason is, the second largest economy in this world is China with a $20 trillion. And the first economy in this world, United States of America, which is a $32 trillion. So the gap is very high. So now, what we have in front of us with the knowledge, with the highest number of people who knows about artificial intelligence, who practice AI, and the technology, human resources what we have as India, a largest populated country in this world with 1.45 billion people, is one is the greatest advantage is the demographic dividend. So every conference you keep hearing about this. So out of 1.45 billion people in this country, 60% of our population is young population below 30. So that is the greatest advantage, unlike any country in this world, what we have. Because these are the people who can able to get the knowledge of AI and to bridge that gap, what we are aiming to become a global leader by 2047 when we celebrate 100 years of Independence Day, Atmanirbhar Bharat, what we call. So, when we celebrate 100 years of independence in 2047, our 1.45 billion people dream is to reach number one. So, to reach to this, I strongly feel that AI is the greatest tool.
This is a very wonderful opportunity to come here to Pune and present our product, this AI kit. So today it is a very great day for us that as we have discussed, this is the first college in Maharashtra where we are setting up the lab. So this discussions as we have discussed, it was happening in the past few months, and fortunately today we got the opportunity to come here, establish a lab, discuss with faculties and get the feedback. So basically how this product we have developed this, when I was in final year, I was in studying about AI. So there were that time itself ChatGPT came. That time itself ChatGPT came. Students were using it for doing their assignments. After that, clearing their doubts, sessions, everything. That time itself it slowly started. So after a few months of time, again newer things were coming, like humanoid robots.
More of examples to understand how this hardware and software are going. That platform which I told you.
But now whatever the result you have shown after closing the eyes this one,
Yes.
this is for school children.
Yes.
Okay. For engineering students,
Yes.
how we can show the experiment. So that is needed, and that's why we need some modifications in the program.
Correct.
Or something they should